Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add members to your Trello board. So first of all, open up the app. Now once you're in the app, open up the board. Now once you're at the board, click on these three dots at the top right, and in here click on this invite button here. Click on it. Now in here you have two options. Either you can search for the user that you want to add, just simply type in the name here, and the Trello user will appear here, and you can add them by clicking on one of these buttons right here. Now you can also create an invite link to invite other people. For that purpose, click on this plus button right here. Now after that, the invite link would be created. Now you can change the permissions of the invite link. Just click on this invite permissions button and you can add them as a member or an observer. And after you're done with that, click on save. And after that, just copy this link. And after the link has been copied, send it to anyone you want. And after they click on that, they would be a member of Trello. But they must have an active Trello account to be added. So that is how you can add members in Trello.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add members in your Trello board. Now as you guys can see, I'm in a Trello board right here. I want to add some members. For that purpose, click on share at the top right here, and this window will pop up. Now in here you have two options. You can either copy this link right here. Now after the link has been copied, you can send it to anyone who you want to, and by just clicking on that link, they will be able to join this Trello board as a member. Now, if you don't want to do that, what you can also do is to just type in the name or email address of someone that you want to add to your board. But they should have a Trello account to be added. So you can add members using these two methods right here. So that is how you can add members to your Trello board.